Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about Andrew Tate and who is he? If you have been into social media recently, so you might know about the person who has got some copper colored Bugatti that's the only person who has got a copper colored Bugatti. So it's like it has become a phenomena, or that is a real hype has begun with the person, and the name of the person is Andrew Tate. Some of you might know. For the people who don't know, I just gave an introduction of that person. So basically he's been into Romania, and after that his story is something like that, and after that he's into basically right now selling courses as usual because it's scalable. And right now he runs a thing that is known as Hustlers University, which is right now 3.0. Okay, so it's really awesome. And if you want to do something like that, you can see that there are some clips like that is being used by sidemen also. So let me just go backwards for a few minutes, and you'll be able to see that this guy is actually using all of this and reacting to it. Now you'll be able to see that this is the original link that is being present. Not just that, if you will be able to see that you can actually use the same links, exact same links, and after that you'll be able to promote Hustlers University because it has got affiliate program. And how you can do it, it's very simple. You need to make a shorts channel, and then you can take the clips, and after that you can actually promote the whole thing. And now the best thing of all is that all of the majority of the sales that this guy is doing is pretty phenomenal. So you can actually ride that wave, and you will be able to make some real quick money. But is it for long term, or is it evergreen content? No, 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 nothing like that. So it's a side hustle kind of thing that if you want to try it, you will be able to do it, and you need to properly optimize the whole thing so that you get maximum results. Now here is the real truth. The real truth is that you will be able to get all of this video clips, and you will be able to watch that what the guy is talking about and what he's talking about. So some people hate him, some people like him. It's completely up to you. You can be making profits, and you'll be able to actually ride that wave. It's a, you can see, I'm not against it, I'm not also for it. I have a, you can say I'm just taking it all of this with a pinch of salt. So you'll be able to learn the whole thing, and after that you'll be able to learn about all of this, that this is about some access, getting access to millennium mentors, and getting into a community, getting expert advice and other things into the millionaire book club, and some opportunities and some bonuses. That is pretty almost same thing. So the basic thing is it's not a long term thing that you'll be able to do basically, but you can actually, as I told you before only, you can basically ride the whole wave up, and after that whenever you make some profit, you will be then be able to understand that what is the thing that's happening. Now whenever you do that, you are going to be getting something that is, for example, if you come in here, then you will be getting to see that all of the videos. Now here are the videos that you'll be able to see, and if you go onto Sideman's channel, then you'll be able to see. Just write Andrew Tate slash Sideman, because I saw this that Sideman is reacting, and I think if you are someone who watches Sideman videos, then comment down below. Now here is the thing. Okay, here is KSI, and now we will be able to see something. Okay, here is the thing. Now here is all of the clips, and it's pretty hilarious for some people, pretty amazing for some people. It is completely up to you. I am not going to be giving you a judgmental opinion, but it's completely up to you if you want to follow the guy's advices or not. Because the main thing for me is to know that if you want to do it, you have an option of doing that thing. Now talking about all of it, it's like, okay, so here's a comment. What is the comment? It's like Andrew Tate is like that one uncle at a family reunions that always want to, okay, argue with you. Cool. So this is the whole page. This is the enroll now button, and there are people who are just actually making some money, you can see. So basically this consists of something like HU has helped me grow so much. That means for YouTube channels, for crypto, for affiliate marketing, for some Shopify things. And not just that, that means it tells you and teaches you all of the things, basically how to make money online which is nothing but you can actually learn, and it is being present to you in an organized format so that we will be able to understand it better, having a community which will be helping us up, and it will be just worth it. Not just that, you can, if you go on to Google, you'll be able to see that what this university basically do and if it's good or not. So it claims on lessons on crypto investing and drop shipping, and that claims that people are making $1,000, 1,000, that's $10,000 every single month, and the university is offering some affiliate program, so you can actually use that for your own benefit, and you can actually grow. And after that, now the thing that will happen, now this is the main area of interest of mine to be true, is what, for example, if you grow a shorts channel onto Andrew Tate's interest, so you are going to be having a loyal audience who are interested in Andrew Tate. That means what, they are interested in basically two things. Number one is they are interested into this manosphere thing, that is for men's self-improvement, productivity, and personal finance. Basically they're interested in developing their finances. That means what, in future, if you are willing to make a channel onto, that is a no face channel, onto this niche, then you can push some traffic from this whole Andrew Tate thing. You will be able to push some traffic into that page. Into which page? Into the page that will be a no face channel, which you'll be talking about. For example, there is a channel which is doing pretty amazing to be true, and it's known as, I think, productivity game or something like that. Let's see, it's, I think, productivity game or something like that. So this is a channel, it's a summary based channel basically, which is doing absolutely amazing work, and they do similar things. So this channel does something just like this. For example, it's a productivity game. You can see they do pretty basic work, that is simple animations that you can do on Beyond, given a link in the description, and how you can actually use it. And after that, you can also use Video Scribe, you can use many other tools also that you can use. For example, Steve.ai, which is pretty amazing. And after that, you will be able to have all of this real quick, and after that you will be able to make something really great out of it, and you are going to be having great amount of traffic. And whenever you learn the whole thing up, it's going to be helping you up in future videos also, because you're going to be having an already made traffic that you can actually push, and after that you will be able to actually use that traffic for your own benefit. See that they have got like 397, almost like 400k views onto the last 30 days. And not just that, that means what, they are making more than 22,000 with the help of that. It's an estimate earning, so which is much more higher, because they're working into this niche which is having really great money, because there are people who are selling online business courses and running ads. So this gets like, you can actually say you can triple the whole amount, and they are making something like that. And you can see the views are consistent, which is not so much bad. And according to the whole thing, you can see they're actually, this channel is doing work for really long time. And I myself follow this channel because they give me idea about some new book that is coming, so that I can get a glimpse, and after that I feel like reading the whole book or listening to the audio basically on Audible. And after that you can actually use all of the concepts up there. And whenever you have a loyal audience that you got from Andrew Tate, that means who are interested in this making money thing about personal development, then you can actually push the traffic up here, and also you'll be able to make some affiliate sales right now quickly. If you want some quick money, you can use this. But the real core advice, if you have watched till now, you're going to be getting the core advice, some golden message you can say, that is to push the traffic and make a evergreen channel just like this. For example, this channel is having 518k subscribers, and not just that, this is 5 years ago, and still now they are in the game. So this is a channel that is about long term. Now there is a concept, for example, like Coca-Cola is going to be staying forever, because it's a timeless product. Similarly, this concepts, this videos that this person is making, or this whole team is making, is timeless. For example, the art of thinking, it's gonna be used in 2050 also. For example, total confidence, okay, the confident mind, it will be also used in 2070, 2050, and even in next, you can say in the next century, people are also going to be using like organize tomorrow and today. So this, all these tips and techniques are being used in 1920s, 1940, 50, 17, and even in 2010, 22, even, and it's going to be going on and beyond that. Now talking about all of this, so here you can see company of one. So all these things are just pretty amazing that you can actually use, and after that you'll be understanding that how you can use this, the loyalty of Andrew Tate, get some real quick money, and from that money that you make, you can do two things. Number one, make a new channel, push that channel, that means push that traffic into evergreen channel just like this. Then you're going to be having a business. And the second thing is, you are going to be having some real awesome time, because you are making something that is actually a passive income, you can say, because these videos that were uploaded like 5 years ago are still getting views, and this is pretty amazing to be true. And you'll be able to make some more money out of it, and then you can rinse and repeat the whole process, which will be really effective for you. Now talking about all this, I think it was a deep conversation that I think you got a real value with the help of that. And after that, whenever you use all of this technique, you're going to be not only having a great channel, a loyal following, but also you can then add some products of your own, and you can make a buyer of yours.